We got married last year. We've lived here, well, Ernest lived here 3 years, I've been here 2 and a bit years. We met 10 years ago.
We are the Seabrights.
And we live at Cysgod-y-Gogon.
I've been a Cartrevi tenant for the full 10 years. We have had some wonderful projects here. We've had art with John Gardner. We had a brunch club which I helped to run.
The last 10 years with it, living with Cartrevi, we moved into Priest Park where we joined a friendship group with Phil Batty. We started off with around 15, 20, now I cater for 40, between 40 and 50. We've built it up, you know, and getting quite a good crowd now, and not just bacon baps, sausage baps, egg baps. We do sandwiches for the older persons to take home so they don't have to cook later.
Being on the Brown Estate, there was a community centre here which I referred to, and that was in a very, very dreary, drab state. It was actually the first community centre that Cartrevi Conway refurbed, and they did an excellent job, and that was in 2013.
The last 10 years I've been here in the new building that they've built. I was also in the building before they pulled it down. I was there about 8, 9 years I was, with all my friends and everything there. And then they pulled the building down and they rebuilt this, which is a lovely place, and I've been very happy here. Got loads of friends and I do loads of things with everybody here.
We have our coffee morning every Thursday morning, which gets the people together here where we can just moan, groan, have a laugh.
Well, especially we have one lady that loves to come here because she's in her flat 24/7, as they say. So I call it more or less Eileen's morning.
Mae bobl neis o mod am Alison, hon nath helpu fi chwarae teg i, hon gath helpu fi ar y rhaid, cos eisiau golli merch dwi'n gweld, pam ddeis i fyny i fyma, a pam eisiau Llanrwst, dwi'n cofio Alison deitha fi, geid i fynd i bingo a geid i ddim yn dweud, na, dwi'n symud o ti, mae'n gwachio television, hynna gyd fi sio, ond wir ddim wedi newid yn mywyd i, wir ddim wedi newid yn, dwi'n rioed yn farapus.
I've been involved in many different things for Cartrevi Conway. I'm one of the digital champions, which goes out teaching some of the other tenants about computers, laptops and tablets. And I find it very interesting and very satisfying.
Dan ni'n gwneud bore goffi at Macmillan bob mis Medi, a hefyd da ni wedi gwneud taith gerdded am y 2 blynedd dwytha. Da ni wedi codi tua 6,000 at Macmillan yn ystod y cyfnod diweddar yma. Felly, da ni yn brysur ac da ni'n cadw'n hynna'n i brens i ddal i fynd. Yr ymenydd yn dal i weithio. Wel, mae yna i bawb, a nid just bobl heil Scotland, wrth gwrs.
I've lived in Bryn Morfa for 55 years, experienced much happiness, and I've also shed tears. A decade ago, new landlords took over, and ever since then I've been walking in clover. For the first few months, Cartrevi Conway's on trial, on test, but oh, what a change, and a change for the best. If I need help, they're just a phone call away. With their emergency number, I can phone night or day. Their electricians and plumbers are first class and polite. Whatever the problem, they'll put it right. When Mrs. Alison Hughes is off for the day, A girl in the office will check I'm okay. Now that's what I call service, with a capital S. Thank you, Cartrefi. You've all passed the test.
Pass it for life!